Let's start by creating a new project. We only have to fill in data that are important to us. Data entered on this window will be used when printing documentation. We have to make sure that we have enabled correct plugins before closing the dialog. Before insolation computation, we have to check the address of calculated area and GPS coordinates. The country set in the address affects the limit values used during the calculation. If necessary, we change the drawing orientation to the north. By default, the north is at the top and south is at the bottom. Both values are stored as project properties. When computing insolation, we have to evaluate number of insulated rooms in apartment. Therefore, we will start by adding apartment. New rooms will then be automatically inserted into the latest apartment. Now we add a new room. The room can be added in several ways. To keep it simple, we will create rectangular room. We will not care about location of the room, we only enter the dimensions. In next step we will define room windows. We will draw 2 windows to the bottom part of the room. Now we add evaluated points group used to calculate the insolation. Evaluation points are automatically inserted into each opening. We add second room next to the first. For simplicity, we will not change the size or position. In this step we will add a window in the north wall. Also to this room we add insolation evaluated points group. Now we open window with computation results overview. Here we can check the calculated values from the entire project. After completing the calculation, we will see a period of insolation for individual rooms and insolated area of whole apartment. Now we will try to print documentation. By choosing the right printer we can create PDF or XPS document. We can disable parts of the documentation which are not important to us. Some of the items we can configure with greater details.